If you're looking to offer website design services but aren't sure where to start, this video is for you. We'll show you exactly how you can leverage Vendasta to offer high-quality website design services with ease. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to growing your business using Vendasta, and you'll learn how to access this software for free, along with some exclusive bonuses. Vendasta is a powerful platform designed to help agencies and professionals deliver marketing solutions, including website design. It's an all-in-one tool that offers everything from client management to customizable website templates, allowing you to start providing web design services right away. Let's walk through how you can offer these services and take advantage of what Vendasta has to offer. First thing, Vendasta provides a huge library of customizable website templates. These templates are mobile responsive and optimized for performance, which means you can create websites that look great on any device without spending hours coding. It's an excellent starting point for those who are just getting into web design or don't have the time or skill set to design websites from scratch. Next, you can take advantage of Vendasta's white label platform. This means you can offer these website design services under your own brand name, making it feel like you're offering a fully personalized service to your clients. You can set your own pricing, manage your clients, and handle the entire process without any interference from Vendasta. This is ideal for agencies or freelancers who want to scale their service offerings quickly. The third thing is that Vendasta's platform integrates seamlessly with other marketing tools. If you want to offer additional services alongside website design, like SEO, paid ads, or social media management, you can do that all from one platform. Vendasta's integrations allow you to manage all aspects of your client's online presence in one place, streamlining your workflow and helping you deliver a complete package to clients. Moving on, Vendasta also includes tools for client communication and project management. Through their CRM system, you can track the progress of each project, keep clients in the loop, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Plus, you can generate reports to show clients how their websites are performing, something that can be crucial for retaining clients and growing your business. Finally, there's the ability to offer managed services. If you don't have the team or the time to handle every aspect of website design and maintenance yourself, Vendasta lets you offer managed website services where they handle the technical aspects. This is a great way to scale without worrying about additional workload, giving you the freedom to focus on client acquisition and business growth. And here's the best part. Vendasta can be used for completely free when you access it through the first link in the description below. When you sign up using our exclusive link, you'll get an extended free trial, along with some fantastic bonuses to help you get started right away. So, if you're looking to offer website design services and want a tool that helps you manage it all, from templates to client communication to marketing integrations, Vendasta is the perfect choice. Get started today, and don't miss out on the bonus trial to test everything out. The link is below, and it's time to level up your business.